Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. As promised, I am here with a new video of a requirement from LLC formation in the US. If you have not watched my old video, please go to that video. And in this video, we will be discussing that the first requirement for forming an LLC in the US is business address. And we will be discussing that requirement, how to get that address, and what are the possible options for that. So let's move towards the video. There are multiple options out there on internet and physical as well when it comes to getting an address for your business or for your LLC. So first one is Anytime Mailbox, iPostal One, and PostScan Mail. All of these are websites who are providing business addresses for you, and you can use them for getting your mail delivered on these addresses, and they will be giving you a scanned copy of the mail they received on your behalf on their address, or you can say on your address. So first one is Anytime Mailbox, and second is iPostal One, and third is PostScan Mail. So all of them are almost same to same. Let's have a demo of one of them. Anytimemailbox.com. Just go to anytimemailbox.com, and then you can search here by the name of city or state there, and even I think you can search by the postal code as well. Yes, you can search by the zip code. First of all, let's have an example. Like I need an address in Miami, and after selecting Miami, Florida, United States, and clicking proceed, you will be getting a couple of options which they have. And after this screen, you can see there are multiple options available here with the pricing. Like you can see, the first address is Miami First Ave, and the address will be like 14 NE First Ave, Miami, Florida, and postal code will be 33132, and their price will be $15 per month. You can say it will be almost $180 per year, but there are some hidden things which we will be discussing. Let's dig it out. After clicking select plan, you will see a couple of other options as well. Let's discuss them as well. Like this will be your address: 14 NE First Ave, suite number 1403, hash mailbox. Mailbox stands for the number which you will be allotted. It can be 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, like this. Other address remaining the same. Like if you have purchased an address and you have got the address 14 NE First Ave, suite number 1403, hash 403, the next person who will be purchasing this address will be getting 404, and so on. Or you can see the options or the available mailbox numbers from the pool which is available to purchase. And after purchasing, you will be allotted that specific suite number. And they are giving these options: opponent scan, mail forwarding, recycling, shredding, local pickup, which is not applicable in our case because we are not physically available. I am assuming that we are not physically available in the US. So there are multiple options as well. You can scroll down to see them. Like they are allowing 60 incoming mails per month. If it exceeds more than 60, they will be charging for that as well. Open end scan is each $2.25 each for each open end scan. That are the additional cost which will be incurring if you buy this address. And if you want to forward any of your mail, like if you receive any debit card or any important mail which you want to get forwarded to your other address, they will be charging for that as well. Personally, honestly, this is very expensive in my opinion. You can search for the other addresses as well. Like if I go for the Texas, we can see another address. We can find out another address which may be cheaper than this one. Like you can see, 9.99 per month. After selecting this address, you can see, yes, they are allowing 30 mails per month, 7 pages per month, which are included in the package. But that means they will not be charging anything extra for these. If it exceeds 7 pages per month, they will be charging for the extra pages. Like forwarding, they are charging very less, and you can click full details to get more details as well. Let's proceed towards the other things, because I do not want to make the video much longer. So you can try and check this website as well. And one more thing, on this website, notarization is a compulsory thing on all these websites. These are all of same category, so notarization is a must thing. And you have to notarize your address before using it. If you do not get it notarized, you have just purchased the address. It is like you have not purchased anything. So if you are going for any of these options, please make sure that you have notarized your address as well. Otherwise, there is no benefit of purchasing address from any of the above websites. So I will be making another separate video for the notarization process, how you can notarize your address. Let's move towards the other option. Second option is unique address from registered agent. It is like if you are going with Texas registered agents, they are also providing unique address. I'm not talking about registered agent address, because I do not prefer to use registered agent address as your mailing address. Your mailing address should be unique, and no one else should have that specific address, or you can say specific suite number. No one other should get that address. After clicking order, or after getting the registered agent services, you can purchase the unique address service with the registered agent service as well. Let's see that option. You can get this service for other states as well. You will have to search for the registered agent website, and on this website you can check that if they are providing unique address option or not. You will have to check for that option. And like this Texas, sorry, my internet is so slow, I think. So it is loaded finally. After scrolling down, you can see our Texas address or your address. You will be selecting our Texas address, and they are giving the options to purchase address from their website, and they will be giving you unique suite number plus 10 more documents per year. They will be giving 10 documents allowance free of cost. Like we have seen the pages scenario in the anytime mailbox, they are giving 10 documents completely free, no matter how much pages are there. Frankly speaking, you do not receive that much documents per year on your address. So I think 10 documents are enough for you. It will be costing only $50 per year. So this is the second option, and you can get it for other states as well. You will have to check for that. Like Florida registered agent, you will see the registered agent website, and you will go to the address option, and you will getting the unique suite number option. So this is the second option we can use to get our business address. Let's go for the third option, and that is using your relative's address. Using your relative address is the most best option in my opinion, because no one else will be getting any part of that address. Any part of that address means, like I told you earlier, that they will be giving you all the address same, and giving you and a separate suite number like 1 2 3 4, and the next person will be getting suite number 1 2 3 5, and so on. In the case of relatives address, complete address will be unique, which is the best option in my opinion. So but that relative should have some trust on you. It should not be like that they receive some mail on your behalf, and they are messaging you or calling you, what is this I have received on my address? So they should trust you, and you should have trust on them in this case. So this is the most reliable option. And for the next and last option, we can check, this is the private office option. Private office option is a much expensive option. You can get private office option if you can physically visit that place. Hiring, or you are renting a private office in Florida, you should be able to go there, because they will be charging you a very huge amount per month and per year, and against that amount they will be giving you a private physical office and private physical office address. So I think they will be charging almost minimum $50 per month, and that will be costing you almost 500, 600, or maybe more than that for private office. So that option is only reliable if you want to physically use that private office. So these are the multiple options which we can use when it comes to creating your LLC, or if you want an address for your business in the United States. If you have any questions, please put your questions in the comment section. And again, I am not so much fluent in English, so please pardon me if there are some mistakes or if I am boring you. I have just tried to convey the information which I thought that you should have before processing or proceeding to file an LLC with the state. In the next video, we will be discussing how to file an LLC with the state. So stay tuned and happy selling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.